Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. In today's recipe, I found that there's a bunch of ways that you can make this. It could be as simple as just eggs and banana, or you can jazz it up and add almond milk, cinnamon, vanilla extract. My recipe, I'm gonna keep it somewhere in the middle with only 3 ingredients. I'm using banana, eggs, and oats. You wanna see how that's done? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's kick this recipe off by first measuring out our ingredients. We'll use 2 bananas, 3/4 cups of oats, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I put the oats into my bullet so I can blend this into a flour. At this stage, I'm also going to add the cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. Then I'm going to pulse this for a couple seconds on and off and give it a shake to mix it up as I blend. So after blending, it will look something like this. Next, I'm going to peel the bananas and using a fork, start to crush it into a runny consistency. Once that's done, I'm going to crack my 2 eggs. Be careful not to miss any of your shells getting into the batter. Then I'm going to give this a good whisk. The last step is adding in the oats flour, and then your batter is good to go. To cook my pancakes, I've greased and added my skillet over medium heat. My pan fits about 3 sand dollar sized pancakes at a time. Once I see the edges starting to form, I give them a flip. Once that side starts to rise, I take them off. This recipe makes about 8 pancakes. Serve them with your favorite fresh fruit and syrup. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see more videos like this, head on over to my channel, Recipes with Liz, where you can get the latest and greatest. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time, see you.